Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu passes any decree in the heavens, the angels humbly start fluttering their wings as a clear rock is lashed with a chain. When the fear of their hearts is dissipated, they say to each other, what did your Lord decree? They say, whatever he said is a truth, and he is the highest, the greatest. So the Satans who eavesdrop on the information strive to listen to their conversation, and they are over one another like this. So Sufyan the reporter then turned his palm and displayed it by spreading the fingers over one another. If by chance he eavesdrops any information, he conveys it to the Satan below him, and he further to the Satan below him, and even this news reaches the tongue of a sorcerer or a soothsayer. Sometimes a blaze of fire smites the first Satan before his conveying the information to the one below him, and sometimes he has already leaked it to the other before the flame strikes him. Thereafter, the sorcerers or the soothsayers add 100 false statements to it, and then they say, didn't we tell this thing on such and such a day? So they get themselves testified on account of one news they have eavesdropped from the heavens. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4800.